Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, I have developed human resource management system uh, to record employee and its attendance and leave management system, also payroll management system. So uh, let's start the system demo. First start OC4J to run application, then start its reporting server. This system may be used any organization with no required change or may be required some changes as per company requirement and policy and rules and regulation. So I will start application. This is company name and I have login with user ID. So this system contain two modules. First is as required human resource management system and other is security management system. I have developed security management system for this purpose, so that can handle user rights and other permission and security. In security management system, I have developed many forms and reports such as form module master that can create menu, security management system, human resource management system, and user rights form, that is user permission. Policy master which handle many other security and permission of user. IP address, assign, organization, rules and policy as per requirement, allow to user IP address that can user access ERP by using its credential with the IP address and OS user system. Then I can go human resource management system. In this system contain many forms such as company master, province master, city master, location master, department master, designation master, religion master, bank master, leave master, and other form. So I will go on employee information. This is employee record form. Employee code, this that is auto generate name, first name, middle name, last name, and employee name auto generate. These take these three argument: appointment date, confirm date. Confirm date, it's auto made as per policy 3 months or 6 month probation period. Employee detail, employee education, experience, allowance, and other such as bank info. So I can print this record. So that's indeed print in the form of PDF. also in other form, that is maybe some organization uh, as per requirement attendance upload using Excel, or maybe it's software connect direct SQL server that is connected attendance machine. SQL server get data from attendance machine, and this software based on Oracle, and Oracle connected to SQL server. Then Oracle get data from SQL server from attendance, so no need this upload form or other requirement. If required to upload attendance using Excel, so use this form. I have upload October 2020 attendance, generate. This is also handle leave management system, employee mark on leave with by self. So attendance uploaded to system month of October. That is employee payroll master system, department information system, increment form, employee increment as per policy, allowances form, monthly attendance uploaded to system, and payroll generate form, selected month that required to generate payroll, July, August, employee leave application form, that is enter employee code and its pin code, so leave balance generated here, and apply as apply on leave as required, leave type. So this is leave, employee leave, and after employee leave apply that form to approve employee leave, which may be its head of department and other role of employee, to print monthly attendance on payroll system, payroll generate payroll print slip. So I can print this report to pay slip. So that's the pay slip of the employee. or it may be changed as per requirement. So if you want to get this system, so contact me. My cell phone number is 0343 7425 058 and email address mshoaib.consultant@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.